विवेक तू जा यहाँ से यार। बांध के रख अपनी बिल्ली को, नहीं तो मेरी गाड़ी के नीचे आ जाएगी, समझा?
वहीं से तो तेरी माँ ने तुझे उठाया था।
So anyway, जाने तू या जाने ना is basically my कुछ कुछ होता है. Yes, it's really cheesy, and the acting can be a bit cringy sometimes.
अबे पगला तो नहीं गया है? अबे क्या हुआ इसको? देख।
But I think it represents most people's school and college life better than any other Bollywood movie.
ए यार देख, मैंने कहा था आज कवचाज होगा, मैं नहीं आ सकता. चल बॉम्ब्स, हम लोग कहीं और चलते हैं. चल चल.
रो मत।
रोत लू, तेरा हमेशा का यही है. जी तू दे.
हैं? चल जल्दी कर यार, हमारा प्यार हमें बुला रहा है. Come on.
जिगी डोंट वरी, वो जॉब मिलते ही मैं
हिसाब रख हिसाब.
मेरा भी है.
फिर अब आगे क्या? हाँ, फर्दर स्टडीज या
सोचा नहीं आंटी, कॉलेज के 5 साल कहाँ निकल गए पता ही नहीं चला.
फोन पे बेटा, फोन पे. तुम फिल्म स्कूल जाने की सोच रहे हो?
या लेकिन डैड कह रहे हैं एमबीए करो.
He has a point.
It revolves around a friend group full of diverse stereotypes, such as the wild girl with curly hairs, एक सीधा साधा लड़का, a Barbie doll, a goth girl, who's the only one in the group without a love interest except for this random encounter. This seemingly 35-year-old man trying to pass up as a college student, and my spirit animal, Jiggy.
जिग्नेश पटेल.
We all thought we were going to grow up to be like Aditi, but the sad truth is that if you want a surprise birthday party as an adult, you have to invite people to it yourself.
सुबह इंटरव्यू है.
ए ऐसे मत कर यार, मेरी सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी है.
So anyway, as I was saying, this is a movie that tells instead of shows, but it still has scenes that resonate and stay with you because of its good dialogue writing.
तुम जैसा बदतमीज, निर्दयी, जालिम पुलिस ऑफिसर मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखा.
नहीं सावित्री जी, मेरे जैसे तो बहुत पड़े हैं हमारी फोर्स में. रियली.
It's written and directed by Mr. Abbas Tayarwala, who has written dialogue and screenplays for films like Maqbool, Munna Bhai MBBS, मैं हूं ना, and डरना मना है.
आखिरी बचा है, मुफ्त में दे दूंगा.
So anyway, as I was saying, whether or not you've watched this film, you probably remember the song Pappu Can't Dance Wala.
डांस लो फिर, चल दिखाता हूँ.
The whole premise of that song was that Aditi and friends pick a guy who they think can't dance well, declare him a pappu, and make a bunch of silly assumptions about him. Now, that may seem really weird and silly at first, but isn't that what most of us did in college anyway? So my question is, in an industry obsessed with writing love songs and breakup songs and songs that objectify women, who came up with this completely original bop of a tune? I'll give you a hint.
तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं, चांद रे.
That's right, kids. The music director of this film is none other than Mr. A.R. Rahman himself.
चाहत है अगर आके मुझसे मिल जा,
This really is some of his more underrated work.
या फिर ऐसा कर धरती से मिला दे मुझको.
Nobody talks about it enough. But the good news is that it's owned by T-Series, so it could get remixed and ruined any day now. So anyway, as I was saying, this film has two major themes.
ओके
ओके.
ओके.
One is about storytelling itself,
क्या होता है ना, एक टाइम एक गर्ल और एक बॉय दोनों
कहानी शुरू होती है एक सपने से.
This film makes the case that you can tell the same old school Bollywood romantic comedy with the same old formula,
किस टाइप की कहानी? लव स्टोरी. इसमें हीरो है, हीरोइन है, विलन्स हैं, फाइट्स हैं, गाने हैं, मिसअंडरस्टैंड.
अरे फुल ऑन.
और एपो पर आकर क्लाइमैक्स होता है.
बिल्कुल.
Sounds horrible. No, thank you.
and still make it fresh and interesting. It all just depends on how you tell it.
तुझे स्टोरी बताना आता ही नहीं. सही चीज सही वक्त पर बताते हैं.
Oh, really?
The second theme is pervasive throughout the film and is about the idea of masculinity and what it means to be a man in the modern world. Jay, the protagonist, struggles with this idea, mainly due to growing up without a father. He tries to be the non-violent and docile man his mother wants him to be.
तुम्हारा पूरा खानदान, तुम सब पागल हो. पागल, सिर फिरे, हिंसक मर्द.
As opposed to the alpha male that Aditi desires.
I want a man. Someone who can take care of me. कि कोई मेरे साथ बदतमीजी करे तो दांत तोड़ के उसके हाथ में दे दे.
Whom she later finds out is a nightmare to be around. So Jay ultimately rides a horse, breaks the law, and gets in a physical fight. Not just for the sake of being a man, but in order to stand up for the women he loves. And in the end, becomes the man that he wants to be. I don't think that this film is trying to condone violence as such, even though its perspective gets a bit blurry sometimes.
अरे लेकिन तू अंदर आया कैसे? किसी की पिटाई करके. हाय हाय मेरे शेर, रांझोर के चिराग, हाँ?
I think all it's trying to say is that the world isn't all black and white.
वो तुम्हारे साथ बदतमीजी कर रहा था.
It depicts that through Jay's mom's character.
और उससे लड़के तुम उसे सही साबित कर देते, क्योंकि उसमें और मेरे बेटे में क्या फर्क रह जाता.
Played by the incredible Ratna Pathak Shah.
माते.
Who realizes later in the film that she would be willing to go against her entire belief system in order to protect the people she loves, when she is ready to bribe a cop to get her son out of prison.
सुन, थोड़ा कैश लेके जाना चाहिए.
Arey, Nokia N73. So anyway, as I was saying, this film has the most solid supporting cast of all time, including career best performances by Mr. Arbaz and Sohail Khan.
क्या बिगाड़ा इन दोनों ने तुम्हारा? क्यों इनकी जवानी के फर्नीचर में मौत की दीमक लगा रही हो?
Featuring in an AIDS awareness campaign. It also has my second favorite Nasiruddin Shah performance.
Exactly.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है सावित्री कि वो अपनी परंपरा से अलग रहकर अपनी परंपरा के प्रति पारंपरिक नहीं रहेगा?
The first one being in Chamatkar. Obviously. In the end, all we're left with are some very important questions actually. Such as, क्या जय की जॉब लगी?
एक मोबाइल ले लो ना तुम.
I don't need it, mom. जॉब मिलेगा तब ले लूंगा. कल से इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. सोचता मार्केटिंग में कोई अच्छा जॉब मिल जाए, मजा आ जाएगा. तो दोनों मिलकर मेरा इंटरव्यू लोगे क्या?
इंटरव्यू? अब तक क्या बात कर रहे थे?
मैं तो जॉब की बात कर रहा था.
कौन सा जॉब? Coca-Cola on the rocks.
What kind of product placement is this? Did you really just substitute alcohol with Coca-Cola?
एक और संभल के दोस्त. Make it strong.
And why is the film Aa Gale Lag Ja from 1973, which the original song Jaane Tu Ye Jaane Na is from?
यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना.
Yes, that one.
जाने तू या जाने ना, माने तू.
Yeah, that one.
तेरा मुझसे
No.
है पहले
No.
गाना
यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई.
Yes, we get it. My point was, why is that film so popular in Algeria?
La 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 la.
नहीं राहुल, ये गाना मत गा.
So anyway, as I was saying, if you want to come to my surprise birthday party, hit like, share and subscribe.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to